Hello, in front of me I've got Mercedes EQA. In this video I'll show you how to manage active cruise control. To manage adaptive cruise control, first start your car and start driving. Adaptive cruise control will be enabled by default. Now, you can press this button to change distance from the following car, set minus button to change speed, set plus to increase speed, cancel to disable this function, and reset to default value. If you bought adaptive cruise control, you'll be able to adjust its settings if you press this button. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.